It was a beautiful Saturday morning. Zayd was excited to enjoy his day, but his father reminded him about an important responsibility.
Zayd, my son, remember to finish your homework before going out to play.
Yes, Papa, I promised.
That's my good son. Keeping your promises showed character.
I will keep my miss, Papa.
Zayd happily made a promise to his father. But soon, he would face a choice between keeping his promise and following his excitement to play. After making a promise to his father, Zayd sat down to finish his homework. But soon, a fun surprise came to test his decision.
Zayd! Come on, let's play football! The weather is perfect today. We can play now and you can do homework later, but I should keep my promise.
Zayd really wanted to play football, but he remembered his promise. Now he had an important choice to make. Zayd was unsure what to do. He wanted to play football, but he also remembered the promise he made to his father.
Zayd, a promise is a trust. Always try your best to keep it.
I promised Papa to do my homework first.
Very good, Zayd.
I will finish it first.
Grandpa Ibrahim reminded Zayd that keeping promises is a sign of good character. Zayd finally understood what the right choice was. Zayd made a brave decision. Instead of following his excitement, he chose to complete the promise he had made to his father.
Papa, I remembered my promise. I will finish my homework before playing.
That's wonderful, Zayd. I am proud of for keeping your word.
Thank you, Papa.
With a happy heart, Zayd finished his homework. He learned that keeping promises brings trust, respect, and happiness. After finishing his homework, Zayd felt proud and happy. He had kept his promise and completed his responsibility. Now Zayd could enjoy playing with his friend Yusuf with a peaceful heart. He learned that keeping promises makes us trusted and respected by others. Glowing star.
Great job, Zayd! You finished your homework, and now we can play together.
Well done, Zayd. Responsibility, then fun.
Keeping promises is a great habit.
That evening, Zayd sat with his family and shared what he had learned. Everyone was happy to see that he had made the right choice.
Papa, I finished my homework first because I wanted to keep my promise.
Remember, children, keeping your right choice.
Zayd made the manas.
Ameen.
Zayd learned that promises are a trust. When we keep our word, people trust us and Allah loves our good character. Dear friends, always remember, a good person keeps promises, speaks the truth, and does what is right. Join Zayd family for more beautiful stories with important lessons.